Welcome to Stock Symbol Selects, where we decode market moves, one symbol at a time.
Why RDW could be a sleeper space stock, AI, defense, and insider moves. There's a tiny space stock most people have never heard of, one that insiders have been buying quietly, a company that builds the backbone of America's future in space, and it's not SpaceX or Boeing. I'm talking about Redwire Corporation, ticker RDW. With ties to NASA, the U.S. military, and cutting-edge AI-driven satellite tech, Redwire might be the ultimate sleeper stock of 2025. Let's break down what it does, why smart money is circling, and what the chart is telling us. Redwire isn't a rocket company. It's a space infrastructure firm. Think the engineers behind the scenes, building satellite components, in-orbit manufacturing tech, solar arrays, and even AI-enhanced navigation systems. Their clients? NASA, the U.S. Space Force, and major aerospace contractors. They've even partnered on space-based biomanufacturing, growing materials in zero gravity that are impossible to make on Earth. That's not science fiction. It's already happening on the International Space Station. The timing couldn't be better. The U.S. just signed an $850 billion-plus defense bill with new space allocations. The Pentagon wants faster, smarter satellite infrastructure. And NASA is going back to the moon and beyond, with private contractors like Redwire supplying key tech. Even AI needs satellites, from global communications to real-time battlefield decision support. And guess who builds the stuff that makes it all work? You guessed it all right. Redwire. Here's where it gets interesting. Redwire insiders, including the CEO and directors, have been buying shares in 2024 and 2025. No selling, only buying. This isn't retail hype. These are people who know the pipeline. Meanwhile, Reddit chatter has picked up, especially in niche subreddits like r/SPACs and r/defense stocks. The float is tiny, and it's heavily shorted, which means it only takes one government contract or headline to squeeze it. Technical chart analysis. Where is RDW headed? Let's break down what the charts are telling us about RDW. On the weekly chart, RDW is currently testing a key resistance as seen by the symmetrical triangle chart pattern. This level has been tested multiple times, forming a range-bound ceiling over the past month. What makes this setup interesting is the strong buying volume that recently accompanied the latest push into this zone. If RDW can break out decisively above $19.60 with follow-through volume, we could see a move toward the next resistance level at $21 and possibly pass the average analyst target of $22.63 to its past year high of $26.66. Now let's zoom into the daily chart. Here we're seeing a clear alignment of bullish indicators. The 9-day EMA has recently bounced off above the 30-day EMA, with the 200-day EMA trending upwards as well, a classic bullish signal. And volume? It's not just elevated, it's accelerating on up days, which often signals institutional accumulation. The ADX line is rising, confirming that trend strength is building. The positive DI is trending above the negative DI, confirming the buyers are in control. The MACD is positive and curling up, showing underlying momentum remains intact. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is above 50 and trending upwards, with the stochastic also confirming the bullish trend. We're looking at a symmetrical triangle, which is shaping up to be a potential range breakout with bullish confirmation, provided a full candle and price closes above the top of the symmetrical triangle threshold. If the breakout fails, watch for support at the bottom of the symmetrical triangle, around the mid-$16 range. RDW is still risky. It's a former SPAC. It's unprofitable for now, and the sector is volatile. But that's also why it trades under its high of $26.66. With just a few government wins or AI-related announcements, this microcap could reach $30 or more for a 50% gain, especially with insiders apparently loading up and technicals aligning with bullish intent. But RDW won't stay under the radar forever. Between the insider activity, the government tailwinds, and a bullish chart setup, This could be a rare moonshot with real fundamentals. It's not financial advice, but if you're looking for a microcap with a real edge in the AI plus defense space race, RDW might deserve a spot on your radar. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives on under-the-radar stocks with high upside. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Investing involves risk, so do your own research and due diligence and proceed with caution before investing any money. Thanks for watching. See you next time.